Those up to 50 per mile hour winds forecasted could expect your weekend, that we could expect this weekend. And if you have any plans to spend it on Lake Champlain, be careful.
Yeah, you want to be prepared. NBC5's Anna Goober got a preview of it as she headed out on the lake today.
As you can see, it's already really windy out here on Lake Champlain, but with forecasts showing up to 50-mile-per-hour winds on Saturday, experts say it could create some issues for things like the ferry, with the ice on the lake expected to break up.
We're about to hit ice. That's just the thing?
That's the sound of the Grand Isle Ferry breaking through icy Lake Champlain, a sound and sight Chad Hindman has never experienced before.
I didn't think we were going to be actually hitting the ice or like breaking through it, which is kind of cool. I don't know, this is neat.
After moving from Nashville to Vermont, Chad says he's still adjusting to northern winters.
The threat of snow can shut down schools in the city. So it's the fact that up here y'all keep going. Keep working. That's what's been the biggest change.
But unlike snow and ice, Chad says one thing his southern roots have prepared him for are high winds.
We have a lot of tornadoes in Nashville, so we've had the last 10 years really have been hit hard by those. So that part, and I'm from Alabama, so winds, yes, ice cold winds like that, no.
Meanwhile, northern New Yorker Gretchen Kohler is a seasoned ferry rider. While accustomed to the winter conditions, she says the up to 50-mile-per-hour winds forecast Saturday are a different story.
I don't think I have experienced it being that windy. I've had it be wavy, but yeah, it'll be exciting tomorrow.
Forecasters at the National Weather Service say the highest winds are expected overnight Friday into Saturday morning in the Champlain Valley, which could cause the ice to shift even more on the lake.
The winds can easily push the ice around. There's been cracks in the ice throughout the whole time. It's been completely frozen over, so the wind can easily get in there and move some stuff around and break up small pieces. But this is probably more restricted to the broad lake where the ice is thinner and more cracked, not the sheltered bays and stuff.
Meteorologist Eric Miskowski says the ferry is typically able to handle these conditions, but urges anyone planning to be on the lake to take precautions.
Make sure to measure the ice, know the ice thickness, and just use common sense and be aware of the situation.
Once the wind passes, he says Saturday is expected to turn into a nice day to get outside. But until then, Gretchen says she'll be listening to the howling winds from inside her home.
Cozying in with a good look around the fire sounds like my plan.
So whether you're skiing, ice fishing, or just heading out on Lake Champlain riding the ferry, experts say to make sure you're checking those conditions so that you can stay safe through the winds this weekend. On Lake Champlain, Anna Goober, NBC5 News.